Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the stamp tool in the Lightroom app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. Here we have an image, and from here we just go into the right side, click on the eraser tool, and here we have this stamp icon. We click on this, and here we select the spot from the picture. Let's say this one, and as we brush over this part, it's going to use what it sees here in this part to, as you can see, like this, to replace it. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.